बना है सारा। इधर आएगा
education in plumbing science. Actually, it is a public health engineering, which is a subject for civil engineering students. But generally, what students take it, do not take it very seriously. The subject should have been introduced for all engineering faculties, and also should have been introduced at school level, so that people or students get sanitized in water conservation and basic plumbing skills, because for plumbing is the most important wire everywhere, every household wire skills. So we have been trying to hold lot of conferences, seminars, presentations. We have developed so lot of codes like Universal Illustrated Plumbing Code, Guide to Good Plumbing, and now we decided to set up a laboratory in collaboration with Goa Engineering College and Government of India, which will show a live demonstration of all what is happening in natural plumbing. There will be underground tank, there will be overhead tank, piping, pumping system, installation of all the sanitary ware like WCs, urinals, wash basins, which will there will be nameplates which will show what should be the height at which WC should be installed, what should be the height of wash basin, what should be the height of urinal. Because nowadays what happens is people do not use or impart their knowledge. Like our international airport, a person of my height cannot use the urinal because the design is wrong. So such things should not happen. So basic idea is to impart knowledge not only to the engineering college of only civil faculty. This should benefit to the all the students of architectural college, all PWD engineers, all the students of all the colleges of technical institutes of Goa. So I take this opportunity to thank Principal of Engineering College, Director of Technical Education, and Head of Civil Department to, for their support given, and I look forward more support to till the project is complete.
कुमार साइन मार
I sorry to interrupt. I just wanted to make one more request. The space is already earmarked by Government Engineering College. I would request you to help us in assisting so that proper allocation, proper paper formalities are done and we get water supply, electricity and food.
ओके
तू साइड में
तुम्ही सांगितलं का?
तू साइड में
तू रेडी का टमाटर
साइड में
तो टाइटिंग इंडियन प्लंबिंग असोसिएशन इंजिनियरिंग कॉलेज हांच्या दोगांच्या मदीं आज MOU सायन जाल्या आणि दोज आर पासिंग आउट फ्रॉम द सिव्हिल इंजिनियरिंग आसतले पॉलिटेक्निक डिप्लोमा सिव्हिल इंजिनियर्स आसतले किंवा ITआंतल्यान आसतले स्किल अपग्रेडेशन करपा खातीर इंडियन प्लंबिंग असोसिएशन अलॉंग विथ द इंजिनियरिंग कॉलेज त्या निमित्तान सगळ्या जाणांक स्किल अपग्रेडेशन जें आसा हें जातलें आणि हाज्या खातीर इंडियन प्लंबिंग असोसिएशन इज अप्रॉक्सिमेटली 2 crores of rupees they are investing in this project at the engineering college फर्मागुडी. हांव कॉंग्रेच्युलेट करता इंडियन प्लंबिंग असोसिएशन हांकां आणि फॉर द आवर डायरेक्टर ऑफ टेक्निकल एड्युकेशन अलॉंग विथ द इंडियन प्लंबिंग असोसिएशन हांच्या बरोबर त्या निमित्तान आमकां स्कील अपग्रेडेशन जावपा खातीर खूब खूब मदत जातली. हो आनी एक स्कील अपग्रेडेशनच्या नुसार आमी घेतलेलें पावल आसा. हांव परत एकदां दोनूय ऑर्गनायझेशनचे खूब खूब अभिनंदन करता. देव बरें करूं.
JP नड्डा आणि गव्हर्नर JP नड्डा आणि गव्हर्नर
हांव करता ते करता धाडून दिता हेच्या कडेन JP नड्डाची हांची विजीट सोमार आनी मंगळार अशे 2 दिसां प्लॅन जाल्ले आसा. एक दिसान हो कार्यक्रम फुडें गेल्लो आसा. सोमार दीस आनी मंगळार दीस ह्या दोनी हेचेर येता आनी गव्हर्नरान तो शपथविधी जो आसा हो 15 तारखेची फायनलायज जाल्लो आसा. 15 तारखेची 11 वरांचेर चीफ जस्टीस ऑफ इंडिया मुंबय ब्रांच हे येवपाचे आसा आनी ताचो शपथविधी हो राजभवनाचेर जातलो.
थँक्यू.